Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows won't shutdown properly. Laptop power light and fans stays on after shutdown. Let's fix it guys. Method on you just need to go to search menu and type choose a power plan, click on open it. And on the left side select choose what the power buttons do. On the right side select change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck this turn on fast startup and select save changes option. And now just to close stuff here and restart the PC and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to open up Chrome and search driver booster and press enter. Select the first site, select the free download option, and after getting download done, you just need to install it. After the installation done, open the driver booster software. This is totally free to use guys. Select this scan option and this will scan for all Uber update driver. So you can see I already updated lots of drivers over here. In my case I have 4 updates available. Select the update now option and update all Uber drivers guys. After the update done, go to search menu and type check for updates, click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. After doing that, just close stuff here and then restart your PC. After restarting, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for this command. Just copy and paste it. This will turn off the hibernation and fix your problem. And after copy and pasting this command in cmd, you can just go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.